everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today we are going to make a super easy weeknight meal. You can make it really fast and it's perfect for the spicy food lover. It's a Cajun chicken pasta and it's definitely one of my favorite recipes. It's you can use any kind of pasta. It's super creamy, super delicious, super nice spice level to it, and I mean it just always satisfies. So let me show you how to make it. All right, let's get cooking. Got my pan heated up here to about medium heat, and I've got some olive oil. Get that in there. Heat it up a little. And we have our chicken. Chicken is outstanding here. Just pop it in. Give it a little bit of a stir. And you can cook the chicken separately, but I kind of like to cook the chicken with the vegetables together. It's just a little easier. We're using the Cajun Holy Trinity here, which is onion, celery, and peppers. So I've got about a good medium-sized, almost large white onion chopped. And I have celery, one large stalk. And I have some chili peppers. Bell peppers is really traditional with Cajun Holy Trinity, but I kind of like to use a blend because I like a little spicy, imagine that. Okay, pop that in. And we just give it a stir. Turn this around here. All right, so this is gonna all cook down, soften up. We're gonna get the chicken mostly cooked through and develop all that flavor. And you'll cook this down for about maybe 7 or 8 minutes or so, just until everything is kind of cooked down, and then we will continue. All right, got this cooked down nicely. Next, I will add some garlic here. I've got about 4 cloves of garlic, and you can use as much or as little as you want. And you just cook that in there for 30 seconds to a minute maybe until you can smell that gorgeous garlic blooming. Garlic, I love it. All right, cook that in. And next we have some tomato paste. And you can use tomato sauce for this, but I like tomato paste, how deep and awesome flavor it is. I've got 6 ounces here. Good can. Pop it in. Ooh, chink. All right. Set that down. Give it a stir. And you can cook it in there a little bit if you feel like developing that flavor a bit. And now I have about a cup here of chicken stock, and you can use a little bit more if you want to make it a little bit, soupier, soft, thinner sauce, and let it cook down and reduce more. So I got a cup. Sometimes I'll add a little bit more and let it simmer longer. All right. Stir that in here. Scrape down the sides of my pan. Oh yeah, look at that. This looks delish. Oh man, it's gonna be crazy good. And also, we have Cajun seasonings. I make my own Cajun seasoning blend, and I have the recipe for this on the website. Here I have 2 teaspoons. You can use more if you want to. If you like it spicier, use like a tablespoon, or maybe double this if you want to. But this is really a good amount here. I got 2 teaspoons. And you can use your favorite blend. There's a lot of real good ones out there on the market. Pick your favorites. Get it all stirred. And once you get it all stirred up, you're just gonna let it simmer. Simmer for anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. Really just simmer as long as you want to. And if it starts to cook down too much, add a little bit more chicken stock to it, even a little splash of water to kind of keep it thinned out. But this is gonna all simmer. It's gonna break down into a delicious, delicious Cajun pasta sauce. And seriously, you guys are gonna love this one. Super easy weeknight dinner. All right, so let me let this simmer down and we will return to cream it up. Look at this, my friends. Yum. This Cajun pasta sauce with the chicken is simmering down nicely, developing all that flavor, and it smells amazing in here already after only a few minutes. Oh, I love the smell of it. It'll fill the whole kitchen, drive you wild with hunger. All right, guys. This pasta sauce with the chicken, Cajun sauce, it's delicious. It smells amazing. It smells amazing. It's filling up the kitchen. We're totally ready now. You could eat it at this point and just, you know, pop in some pasta noodles and serve it this way, and it'd be super delicious that way. But we're gonna make a creamy version, so it's real easy. I'm gonna turn this off. Boom. And here, off heat, I've got 3 ounces of cream cheese that I'm adding. Cream cheese is delicious. I will stir it in there. You just want to get it melted all the way through. And it's super easy when it's very hot. And we also have, I have a couple teaspoons here, tablespoons I believe, of crema, sour cream. I'm using sour cream, but I also like crema, it's very good. Mexican crema, whichever you prefer. You can use heavy cream if you want to. But heavy cream, it's a little higher calorie, but it's also very delicious, so it's really up to you. And we get this mixed through. We stir this all in. Take a little bit. So look at how creamy that's getting. Look at that. Delicious. The color totally changes from a rich tomato color to a nice creamy kind of an orange color. Oh man, look at that. Awesome. So get it stirred through, stirred up, nicely incorporated. And last but not least is pasta. If you're gonna make a pasta, you gotta have some pasta noodles, right? So I've already got my pasta noodles boiling on the stove. It's all softened up. Get this over here. And, ooh, steamy. Get it drained. Look at that. And you can use any pasta noodles that you want to. I've made this so many times. I use whatever we're in the mood for. I'm like, Patty, what do you want tonight? She's always like, cavatappi. So that's what I got. I got cavatappi right here. Pop that in. Give it a stir. Look at that. So good. And you can garnish it up. Throw on some spicy chili flakes, some fresh herbs. Pretty much anything you're in the mood for. And look at it. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Boom, that's it. I mean, talk about a super, super easy weeknight meal. Cajun pasta, Cajun chicken pasta. You've got pretty much everything you would want for a spicy food lover, and a really easy meal to boot. It's like super easy weeknight dinner. Hey, it's great on the weekend too. Anytime, really, you know. So, all right, let me give it a taste. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, my God. Seriously? Yeah, this is like one of my favorite versions of pasta. I love all the Cajun seasonings, all the vegetables. The Holy Trinity breaks down into a just outstanding flavor. You got a nice level of spiciness to it if you want to. You can use hotter peppers. I usually use like at least jalapeno, a lot of times serrano. And my personal Cajun seasoning blend actually has a little pinch of, a little bit more maybe of a ghost pepper powder. So for me, it's just wonderfully spicy, but you guys can control the heat level to your own preference. But that's it, my spicy food loving friends. That's how you make a super quick and easy Cajun chicken pasta. It's crazy delicious, one of my favorites. I do hope you enjoy it. And if you make it, send me a pic. Let me know how you think, how it tastes for you and how you enjoy it. I really hope you do like it. But that's it. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness, and I will see you next time. Thanks, bye.